When you move to a new district, one of the things that you probably will make a decision on is which church will I attend? Now, people attend church for all kinds of reasons. They attend because they know people there, they have friends there, and if you've been living in one place for a while, you'll have got a habit of going to church and a good circle of friends. But if you're moving somewhere new, you're asking yourself, what attracts me to this particular church? Well, it could be worship, it could be friends, and often it's because you share common beliefs. We all believe Jesus died for our sins. We believe Jesus has a heavenly ministry. We expect Jesus to return soon. We worship together on the Sabbath. We share the common belief about what happens after death. This is one of the things that unites us as a church and helps keep us together. Now, as we're discussing beliefs, sometimes there's controversy. And here's something we can ask ourselves this week. What are the crucial beliefs of Seventh-day Adventists? And if we are discussing things and there seems to be tensions about what we should believe and do, how should that be resolved in a manner that is Christian and in a manner that builds up the church? So these are some of the topics that we're going to be looking at this week. So as we think about beliefs this week, ask how they relate to our relationships with each other and how they build the unity of the church.